Hi friends, I am Nidhi Sagar and she is my colleague Juhi Paturkar.
Hi guys.
We are study abroad counselors at Krishna Consultants and today we are going to help you with the step-wise plan to reach your study abroad dream destination.
If you desire to study abroad, then you must have started exploring options for the same, and you would also like to know as to how to proceed.
Let's make your job a little easy by giving you a step-wise plan.
Step 1. Identify and finalize your preferred study abroad destination.
Step 2. Start preparing for standardized tests like GRE, GMAT, SAT, TOEFL, etc. as per the program and the country requirements.
Step 3. Shortlist the universities on the basis of your academic profile and your expected or actual test scores.
Step 4. Prepare your SOP and LORs and also get your academic documents ready for the university applications.
Step 5. Start applying to the universities as per the application deadlines.
Step 6. Receive your offer letters and finalize the university.
Step 7. Plan your budget and check for the educational loan if required on the basis of the university you finalize.
Step 8. Start arranging your financial documents.
Step 9. Prepare for visa interviews and get the visa approval.
Final step. Attend our pre-departure meet and fly to your dream destination.
This is just an overview of the process, but there are many more details that you need to work on, and that is where Krishna Consultants will help you in streamlining the process.
We are pioneers in overseas education with 20 years of industry presence, 600 plus university tie-ups in 27 countries across the globe.
We have successfully placed 10,000 students in overseas study programs all over the world.
Our head office is at Nagpur, but we have 17 other branch offices across India.
Whether you need advice on study options or have questions about a course,
confused with the country and university options, or want to know how to get an education loan,
looking for a help with visa process or coaching for standardized tests,
you will find Krishna Consultants to be your one-stop solution for everything.
Call us on 772200 4113 or 0712222061. You can also email us at krishna@studies-overseas.com and book your free one-on-one counseling session.
For further information, you can also log on to our website www.studies-overseas.com.
Found this video to be useful? Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Krishna Consultants for many more videos on studies abroad. Hi friends, I am Juhi Paturkar from Krishna Consultants and she's my colleague Nidhi Sagar.
Hi guys.
And today we are here to help you analyze the key factors in deciding your study abroad destination.
Finalizing the study abroad destination would depend on 8 major aspects, and these will vary from country to country. If you follow the right order, you'll be able to zero down on the most suitable country option for you. The 8 key factors are
academic profile,
program availability,
budget,
part-time work rights,
scholarships,
internships,
stay back opportunities,
permanent residence.
The first and the most important factor to decide your study abroad destination is your academic profile. Your academic scores of 10th and 12th for a bachelor's program and 10th, 12th as well as graduation for a master's program.
Also check if you had any backlogs and if you have completed every step of your education in the stipulated time or not. Any gap in the education should be justified.
The second aspect that you need to focus on is the program availability. You need to check the program that you wish to pursue is available in the institutions of the country you wish to go to. If you do not get the desired program, you need to check for similar course options or change your country choice.
Now coming to the third and the deciding element, the budget. This comprises of cost of education, living, accommodation and other miscellaneous expenses. Now this will again depend on the country the city, the university, and the program duration.
If you are looking for part-time work opportunities, then you'll be happy to know that in most of the renowned study abroad destinations, you have the liberty to work for 20 hours a week while studying and full-time during vacation. This is how you can earn while you learn.
Scholarships are usually provided on the basis of the overall academic profile, but at times you can also be considered for a scholarship if you have exceptional test scores in GRE, GMAT, SAT on basis of your academic program or IELTS, TOEFL, etc.
Let me tell you about internships. Internships carry their own benefit as they give you practical, relevant as well as international work exposure. Internships can be paid or unpaid. More than money is the exposure that matters.
The stay-back opportunities will vary depending on the country and the program. In certain countries, you might get an extension just for 3 to 4 months, whereas in other countries, you might get an extension up to 36 months.
If you are keen on permanent residence, then you need to check out for the countries that offer the same. Now, based on these factors, once you zero down upon your country choice, you need to then finalize the kind of university you wish to apply for and check out for further procedures.
Now, this is where we can help you. Book for a free consulting session on overseas education with our specialized country counselors and get the ball rolling.